Kwabena kopie mu omi nua bema DJ Slim ho na say na koi.
And Tourism, Arts and Culture Minister Marco Kumanti said you became a bigger artist after endorsing Akufo-Addo.
You see,
I don't know. You heard that?
Yeah,
right?
but yeah, see, there's clarity in what he was trying to say.
Okay.
I mean, listening to it and then having a conversation with him about it again. He was of the view that there are so many artists who've done something political, and it looks as if what they did actually affected them in terms of being able to still be out there doing their business. But then I'm a case study that even after endorsing, I mean, my brand became bigger, which is a fact. But it's not like because I endorsed, that's why my brand became bigger. That's not what it means. What it means is even after me doing something political, I still was able to go about my business and grow my brand as an artist. So it has nothing to do. A musician's career has nothing to do with anything he or she does political. I guess
with political affiliation, you can still
be bigger. Exactly.
That's where he was coming from.
That's where he was coming.
It's not that like you tapped into the fan base of the MPP and then became bigger afterwards.
That's not what he meant.
Okay.
That's not what he meant.
Well, so you actually had a different conversation. Yes. You spoke to Honorable after.
Yes. I spoke to him about so many things, including this. And yes, I mean and listening to the tape, I mean you can understand that that's where he was coming from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is Hits. And this is Adom TV. Yawo Aza Oye Makwabena director.